Diet culture loves a miracle drink. Whether it's a detox tea, a green juice, or that morning lemon elixir, we are always looking for the shortcut. So today we are putting lemon water on trial. Is it a metabolic booster or is it just flavored hydration? Let's look at the science. Hey, I'm Amy Lawson, registered dietitian, mom of 3, and your guide to making sense of nutrition science. This is Research Bites, a new series where we break down recent studies and we actually prep real food. And a quick heads up, you might see more of these shorter, more focused videos for just a bit. I've got some big, exciting, and definitely stressful things happening in life behind the scenes, and I cannot wait to share that with you soon. But for now, we are staying rooted in the facts, and today I'm gonna make my lemon mint sparkler while we get to the bottom of the lemon water truth. You've heard it, drink lemon water to boost your metabolism, to lose weight. Does that actually ring true? It sounds so appealing because it's so simple, but when we look at the research, we have to ask, what are they actually studying? Most studies showing citrus benefits use concentrated lemon polyphenols. Those are plant compounds found in the peel and the pith. And to see that fat-burning effect, researchers often use doses between 300 and 600 milligrams a day. To put that into context, the juice from this half a lemon contains maybe 10 to 15 milligrams. To get the therapeutic dose used in those studies, you'd have to juice about 20 to 30 lemons a day. Your tooth enamel would like a word with you before you even tried that. Now, some studies use a cup of pure lemon juice daily, and that's 5 to 6 lemons juiced into 1 cup. Now, a little wedge in your water is refreshing, but it is not the same medicinal dose the headlines are claiming or that the studies are using. And then there's the famous lemon detox diet study. Participants lost weight and their insulin levels improved. But here's the fine print that's just never shared. It was a very low calorie diet. They weren't losing weight because of the lemons, they were losing weight because they were basically fasting. But as an RD, I have to be clear about the word detox. Your lemon water does not detox you. That is a marketing term, not a biological one. You already have a high-tech built-in detox system, your liver, your kidneys, and your colon. They process toxins 24 hours a day for free. If those organs aren't working, you don't need a lemon, you need a hospital. Now, the best way to support your natural detox system is to simply stay hydrated so your kidneys can do all the work they were designed to do. And before we get into the one specific clinical benefit of lemon water, because there is a big one, take a second and hit that subscribe button. I am committed to bringing you truth content that breaks through the noise that is out there. And if you want more real food, real facts in your feed, I'd love to have you here. Thanks so much. So if it's not burning fat, why would we drink lemon water? The sort of pre-game effect. Research shows that drinking 500 milliliters of water before a meal can help you feel fuller and eat less. But, little spoiler, plain water does the exact same thing. Now, for kidneys, there is something important, and this is a real winner. Lemons are high in citrate, which helps prevent certain types of kidney stones from forming. If you've ever had one, you know that benefit is a total foundation piece of your health. So here's the swap. If this replaces your afternoon soda or a sugary drink, that's where weight loss happens. It's the absence of sugar, not the presence necessarily of the lemon. Let's get our mint in there. This lemon mint sparkler is just sparkling water, half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey, and fresh mint. Oh, it is refreshing, it's hydrating, and it actually tastes really good. And I've got the full recipe on my website, Thrive Nutrition RDN, plus I've linked it down below. And I have a whole library of balanced foundation first recipes there that actually fit into a busy life without any gimmicks or miracle nonsense. The links are down in the description. The bottom line, if you love lemon water, drink it. If you hate it, plain water is just as good for your metabolism. Real health isn't built on shortcuts. I hate to tell you, it's built on those foundations: protein, fiber, movement, sleep, hydration. And I'm finishing this because it tastes great, not because it's some miracle fat burner. And now for more research bites, click the video on your screen right now to watch the video of the brain nutrient you might be missing. And I will see you over there. Until then, eat well, be well, thrive. I spilled. I gotta do that again. My thumb was in the way.